guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine and I have a roller skate. I love roller skating because it's so very happy up here. I'm not rich, but it's okay because we have eating food. And we have so many houses. The same. And what's your name? Write into comment for I know. I shout out you. I said like this. I shout out Mia. Like that.
Papa, pumunta ka nga dun sa Likaw. Bili ka ng palang manok.
My sister, it's Philippines. I'm not Philippines. I'm not poor. I'm joking. I'm not poor. I'm getting into a Maya series. And my mom is Philippines. And she don't know how to speak to me. And I said Filipino like this. He, dito. 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 And I'm crying because I don't know what to say. Ahit.
Sagisado ko yun.
Matagal na nga ba yan?
Pa, pumunta ka ng Likaw.
And she going
Naman, baka ibang hindi yung araw-araw.
I like to live because you came so fast.
Pag wala, hindi sa ka bibili ng paa.
Look, she likes. She color on the rainbow. Whee! Ah! And I like to faster because the faster I have. Ah! Let's go. So bye-bye. Like and share.